Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we are going to go over the Bitcoin chart. If you want to talk about Forex, we can go over that too. If you want to talk about the stock market, we can go over that too. And we can just have Q&A. So let's get to the charts real quick. If you're watching this replay, hit that subscribe button and making sure that everything is working right now. Making sure everything is live on my end. But if you're watching this replay, hit that subscribe button. If you are watching the replay, also just speed up the replay by hitting settings, hitting 1.5 or 2 to actually speed up the video. Okay. Now, do I think Bitcoin will continue to go down? Well, continue to watch this video and I will talk about that, right? I'm waiting for more people to come in. So we are going to wait a little bit. Okay, what's going on, Dan? What's going on, Bobby? So I see a couple people here in the building. That is good. It is actually 4:39 p.m. where I'm at. So I don't know how many people is going to show up today, but I'm going to wait for a little bit more people. But overall, I hope you guys are good. And we are going to look at this coin market cap real quick while more people come in the building. Okay, so let's go to the coin market cap. Just give me a second. All right, we're going to go to coin market cap real quick. So let's go right here. So overall, what we have here is the dominance drop. Okay, I definitely did expect the dominance to drop because we was going up quite a bit, right? The dominance is going up, and like with anything, you have to expect pullbacks. Okay, so if you look at the dominance chart, it's pulling back, so you have to expect that. Nothing goes up in a straight line. So we definitely gonna have a pullback. How far? I don't know. But I think eventually we will continue to shoot up higher on a dominance. When, like I said, I don't know. It could be next year, it can be whenever. But I believe the dominance will continue to grow because overall, a lot of these coins are garbage. Let's keep it real, right? So let's go back to the chart and let's see who I have in the building so far. I have Bobby, I have Dan, I have Stress Free, I have Ripple, Army, and Butch. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. I appreciate all my subscribers showing up. So let's get to the chart. Let's go. Right, guys? Can you actually hear me? Making sure. Troy said, "What's going on with the link?" What do you mean link? What link? And guys, can you hear me? Making sure, right? So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Loud and clear. Okay, I'm outside in my backyard, so if you hear birds or the water, that's just from the pool, whatever. All right, so you said chain link. Oh, chain link. Oh, all right. So let's go to. I'll probably look at chain link later. Let's go to this Bitcoin chart and let me tell you what I saw or what I see. Okay. Basically, overall, there were a couple of quick moves right here around this area. You could have definitely made money. Okay, we point that out in the crypto Discord. So if you're not a part of that, basically, get the crypto course. I'll give you guys the link later. But overall, I told my crypto students that I definitely see the market, shooting back up. All right. And that's when we was around here, okay, when I told my students, and we shot back up. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting to see if the market wants to go up more, or is this it? Okay, we have we have the ability to go up some more. Okay, and we can actually test this trend line. Let me show you right here. You see this trend line right here? We can test this trend line right here. So we can go up some more and test this trend line. It all depends on what they want to do. Okay, we don't have to do that. Okay, but we can do that. Now, if they decide to go up to this trend line, that's that's whoever's holding Bitcoin. You better cross your fingers, because that's a very important area right here. Because overall, if it comes to this trend line right here, okay, you're gonna have buyers and sellers fighting it out. So you better hope that the buyers win, okay, if you are a holder, because if not, if we get some rejection around this area, most likely we will continue to go back down. Now, do they have to go back up? No, they don't have to. They actually could shoot this thing back down. So overall, what I'm thinking, guys, like I said before, I told you guys my thoughts about Bitcoin. I still believe that they will continue to go back down and take out these stops right here, and a possibility to take out this stop. Okay, but this right here is probably the stop they probably want to take out for the most part. And then if they take out this stop, most likely they probably would take out this stop too. Overall, when I had my private meeting, I think it was in the summertime, I believe in August or July, I was telling my students that I really believe that they will bring this thing back to 6,000. Only reason why I said that, because the way it went up, it was just going up so quick. And usually when they do that, when they go up so quick like this, they are going for a specific target, and they hit it. They hit the target. So as soon as they hit the target, notice how we just start to sell off. And I believe we probably will continue to go back down to the special 6,000 level. Okay. Now, when we hit the 6,000 level, will it hold? Okay. Or if we hit the 6,000 level, will it hold? That's the next question. We don't know. We have to wait until just wait until price gets there. But overall, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for another continuation. If we don't get another continuation down, right, and we decide to go up, I want to see how they break this trend line right here. Okay, if they break it with some force and hold that break, if they hold the break, then there's a possibility we can probably continue to go back up. Okay, how far, I don't know, but right now, just by looking at this, I don't really see these guys actually want. I don't see these guys going to 10,000 right now. Okay, I don't know, man. I don't see it right now, but we'll see. I just still see probably more selling coming in, and we go from there. But if they do go to that 10,000 mark, okay, just watch out for price action. Watch how it looks, right? Don't get excited, because that's what most people do. I mean, to this day, I still don't get why most people get excited when they see up moves. Okay, I'm like, how many times these guys have to fool you to understand how the chart works and how the market works, right? The market goes up, the market goes down. All right, you can't get excited just because it's going up a few days. All right, so you have to understand how to read the charts, and then you go from there. So if you guys want to look at the stock market, Forex, or anything like that, just type it in. If you have any questions, just type it in. What else? And hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional trader. This is what I do Monday through Friday. I love day trading. I day trade the futures market. So if you're definitely interested in that, you can actually go check out my course on that. What else? And that's pretty much it, man. Let me see if you guys have any questions. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Okay, let me see if we get. Let me see. A round of applause real quick. All right. So let me see here. Let's see if I have any questions here. All right. Let's see here. Someone said chain link. I mean, let's see if they have chain link on here. Link. Nice little bounce. Basically, you have to wait and see if they can actually make a new high. Okay. Because what they can do is form a double top and go right back down. So just watch this new high. This is actually looking real good. If I have, I'm making sure I have the right chart. Let me make sure. That's cracking. But overall, that chart looks, it looks good. But you gotta be careful for, watch out for a double top or something like that. All right. And watch out for a double top or anything rejection around this area. All right, so let's see what's going on with the chat room. Let's see what you guys are saying. What's going on, Jesus? Good to see you guys. Good to see you here. Crypto Such a Life said, "Thanks for teaching us, Ben, about the charts. No problem." If it does not shoot up again, it could be almost too easy. Yeah, I mean, see, the thing about the market is it doesn't have to shoot up. Okay. Sometimes they don't want it to shoot up. They want to keep it. Sometimes they want to just keep things as low as possible for the next leg down. So it doesn't. They don't really have to actually shoot it up. Okay. They might just want to keep it as low as possible just for the next breakdown. Okay. So you just gotta go with the flow. JA, what's going on? BSV. BSV. BSV has a trend line going on right here. A slight rejection off this trend line right here. We could either make a new high, but overall it's still under this resistance right here, so gotta be careful. Let's look at these other coins real quick. Let's see what Ethereum is talking about. So Ethereum is actually right at this trend line. If you notice that as soon as it hit the trend line, we have a rejection right here, and it's looking like it's trying to break this channel right here. Okay, so just gotta watch out for this. This could be ugly. Okay, for the next leg down. What else? Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin basically breaking a channel right here, right? It broke this channel right here, so we could basically see continuation. It's a possibility. We can get continuation right there. So right now everything is still looking bearish, guys. I told you guys before this whole year that we are not in a bull market. Okay. Even though some of you guys probably still listen to your favorite YouTuber and you probably think we're still in the bull market, we was never in the bull market. We was always in the bear market, and all these moves to the upside was just a pullback. Okay, it's just very simple. Just zoom out. Okay, it will tell you that we are in pullbacks. That's it. All right, so let me see. Litecoin, Ethereum, what's going on with Dash? Dash is looking horrible. It looks like it's just dying out. RIP. Let's look at XRP real quick. XRP, sheesh. It's struggling to go up. You know, I don't like that at all. So just be careful with that. What else? So let's go back to these questions, guys. Let's see what you guys talking about. Shout out to all you guys here. Any you guys remember the, you know, the old live streams, man? The old live streams used to be real good, like, you know, classic. I used to have a lot of trolls. I used to give these guys the Hadoukens. It was classic, man. The old live streams. But after a while, you know, when you start to talk to these, these crypto investors, it's very hard to, you know, talk to them and have a decent conversation. But overall, guys, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at continuation, right, to the downside. It's just looking so weak. Okay, I know your boy Sunny Decree is on buy bid. He's going hard on his leverage. I know. I understand. I understand your boy Sunny Decree is buying up, okay, the market, but the way I'm looking at this definitely looks weak. Okay, now can we get a bounce? Yeah, we can definitely get a bounce. I told you guys, if we get a bounce, guys, this is the area right here, all right, where you have to look and see, okay, who's going to be in control. We might have a fake breakout out of this trend line, but you have to make sure that breakout is real. Right now, what I'm looking at is just the whole market is weak. And what happened to those guys that said that back was going to basically save the market? You remember that? Back. But what about back? What about back? But back. But Ben, what about back? What about it? I don't know. You tell me. If you understand how things work, you should know. You should know, okay? If something is dying, it's going to be very hard to get it back, especially if you have news like back, all right? Very obvious news, okay? Anytime you have a very obvious news that's basically available to the public, guys, don't expect the market just to skyrocket, all right? It doesn't work like that. All right, so let's go back to some questions. Let's see. Type in your questions, guys, if you have any questions. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. But overall, man, shout out to all my moon boys. It's all love. It's all love, I have nothing against moon boys. I just wish you guys just have a little bit more of a open mind. Everything is just, yeah, man, we just going to the moon. But at the end of the day, it's all love, man. Let me see. Did McAfee say that Bitcoin is going to hit 2 million in 2020? I didn't see a video, but for some reason I heard that like a couple of times. Did McAfee said Bitcoin is going to hit $2 million in 2020? Please let me know. Please let me know. Crypto life sex says Sunny Decree is nuts. Yeah, so Sunny Decree strategy right now is basically he's buying with leverage. So every time he buys, right, and he gets stopped out, he's going to go in more. So let's say he gets stops out right here, he's gonna go in more leverage. He gets stops out right here, he's gonna go in more leverage. He's gonna keep on going more leverage. Honestly, guys, that's the worst strategy ever. You can blow up so quick, it's ridiculous. Let me see. Jesus said, quick RP to dash. Bobby said the old lives were full of trolls. Facts, man. All the trolls left though because crypto market's not doing anything right now. Josh said BTC halving and won't pump BTC at all next year. Okay, so guys, let's talk about that, guys. Josh, right? He said BTC, right? BTC halving and won't pump BTC at all next year. What do you guys think about that? Okay. Shout out to everybody that's tuning in. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tuning in, hit that subscribe button. Hit those likes, guys. Hit those likes right now. Hit those likes before we talk about that topic. Hit those likes right now. Your finger's not going to fall off. Hit those likes. So let's talk about that, guys. What do you think? Let's repeat the statement. He said BTC halving and won't pump BTC at all next year. What do you guys think about that? Let's talk about that. All right, so let's see. What's going on, 20X? You said you missed. You said you missed it. What you missed? SA said oil. What's going on with oil, bro? You want me to look at oil? If you guys want to look at any stock charts or Forex charts, let me know. Dan said yes, 2 million. Lovely looking girl with interviewing. Okay, so McAfee did say that Bitcoin will hit 2 million next year. Okay. And the sad part is a lot of people probably believe him. That's the sad part. Seriously, Sunny Cree, it seems like a arrogant teenager. Yeah, I know, right? Boy. Hey, what's going on, Joseph? So, guys, I had a question, guys. Come on, let's I have how many? 27 people in this room. Okay, 27 people here. Okay, let's talk about this. I can't see you, so there's no reason for you guys to be shy. Okay, let's talk about what Josh just said. Josh said BTC halving won't pump BTC at all next year. What do you think about that? All right, what do you think? Are we going to see a pump next year because of the BTC halving? Come on, guys, let's interact. This is what this stream is about. Right. Yeah, In the meantime, let's see what's going on with these charts. All right. So let's see if I see anything here. V said it will pump just to trap everyone. Dan said BTC does not pump on the heaven, is dead in the water. If he said if it does not, okay. FOMO might, yeah. So basically, the way I see things, the way I see it is, it's pretty much probably gonna do the same thing Litecoin did. Okay. Same thing Litecoin did, pump and dump. Okay, right now crypto is in a in a situation where it definitely needs a lot of new users, and the market is not getting that right now. Definitely not getting that right now. I still believe that we are in the bear market, and overall we probably will continue to see more lows. But and it's not just Bitcoin itself, okay? So just don't think I'm talking about Bitcoin. I'm just talking about the overall market, the overall crypto market, okay? There are still a lot of coins, okay, that were hyped in 2017, okay, and these guys have to continue to drop. So it's not just Bitcoin. It's those coins that got pumped in 2017, and most of those 90-something% of those coins are useless. So they just had to die, right? And you are seeing it right now. So it's not like I'm talking just to be talking. You are seeing it, guys. I can just show you example after example after example. Okay. We see it with XRP. Look at this chart. Okay, we see it with Dash. Okay, you can see it with pretty much most of these altcoins. Look at these charts, guys. We see it with all these altcoins, guys. Let's look at Nano. All right, and these coins was just basically pumped. I remember listening to a popular YouTuber said that he bought Nano. I think he said at $1 or something. He watched it go up to like $30-something. I don't know. That's what he said. And he said he didn't sell because he thought it was going to go to $50. He thought it was going to go to $50. That's why he didn't sell it. Okay, so if you buy something for $1, okay, and it goes up 30 times, 30x, you have to take some money off the table, guys. And this is why people always trying to blame the market or blame other people. Is because you don't have a strategy, a plan. This is, I talked about this in my last video. I told you guys, in order to become successful, you definitely going to need a strategy, a system. Okay, if you just blindly buy something and say, okay, I'm going to sell this when it hits $50, you're done. You're gonna lose all your money just because you have no plan. That's not a plan. That's not a strategy. That's nothing. You don't even know it's going to go up to $50. That's just an imaginary number in your head. And that's the problem I have with the crypto market. Okay, it's very hard to talk to these guys because They have so so many imaginary numbers inside their head that I can't talk to them. You have to have a strategy. You can't just say I'm gonna dump all my money. I'm gonna go all in because this guy on YouTube, he has 100,000 subscribers, and he told me that one day Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million. That's not a strategy, guys. I don't care if you are in the crypto market, for a long term. If you're a long term investor, I don't care. That's what most people say. Oh, well, I'm in it for the long term. Okay, nice. That's nice. You still need a strategy, a plan. A plan is not, oh, I'm going to go all in and I hope it works out. That's not a strategy, guys. And you wonder why you missed out. You wonder why you're down so much. You could have, guys, you could have been sitting on six figures or more, okay, if you sold some or more than half when it got to the top or close to the top. You guys, 2020 is coming very soon. You have to get better, guys. Okay? You have to get better. You can't continue to make the same mistakes over and over and over. I don't care if you in crypto for the next 20 years. I don't care, you trying to hold this for the next 20 years. That doesn't mean anything. So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on here. V said, Ben, it was Ben, 2020 recession or depression. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that. Okay. So let's talk about that right now. Let's talk about the 2020 recession. Everybody's talking about the 2020 recession. Everybody's talking about this stupid 2020 recession. Right? CNBC is talking about this, promoting it like crazy. You know what I think, guys? I think it's not going to be a recession. Okay? The reason why I think that, because if you understand how these guys play their games, they don't promote recession when the market is at the top. All right? They don't promote recession when the market is at the top. So that tells me that most likely we're not going to have a recession. A couple of things could happen. Okay, this is what happened right now. We can have a situation like this, right? We can we can just continue to go back up, okay, make new highs, and then pull back a little bit, okay, and wiggle maybe a little bit, and then go back down. All right. Another situation is we can actually start to sell off right now. I mean, if you look at today was a sell-off day, so we can start to sell off, right? And we can have that 2020 recession that they claim it is, okay? We can have that. So we can start selling off. We can have a crazy sell-off, right? But the way I'm looking at things, guys, I believe this is going to be a fake recession. Okay, it's not going to be a real recession. The only reason why I'm saying that is because they promoting it too hard. Okay, if you know anything about, how these guys work, they don't promote recessions at the top of the market. So that being said, let's say that we do start to sell off in 2020. I believe it's going to be a fake recession, right? I believe we will probably find support somewhere around here, Okay, so it might be something like this. Find support somewhere and shoot right back up. Okay. Now, the way I'm looking at it is we can be in this. We might be in a range, okay, for a long time. You guys, you have to understand. These guys have so much money that, you know, man, they can keep this market up for a long time, for the next 3, 4, 5 years. Okay, so that's how I'm looking at the market. I don't think I think it's going to be a fake recession, and and we're probably going to be maybe in a range or something for a long time, so we could bounce around like this, So just be prepared for that. But if we do go down, just take it day by day. But don't be surprised if you see a sharp bounce. Or we might not even sell off. We might just continue to go back up. Okay. We might just break out of this and go back up. So that's what I'm thinking. Let's see if I see any questions here. Type it in. Shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, if you want to learn more about how to swing trade crypto, here's the link right here. If you want to learn how I'm able to make money every single day, well, not every single day, but close to every single day in the futures market. Okay, here's the link right there. I'm a full-time trader, so you can have access to my Discord room, and you can see how we trade. So let's see if I see any questions here, guys. Jesus said Litecoin having it is a perfect example. Yes, I definitely believe that. Yeah, it's a good example. Yes. Ben, do you think the market will get volatile during the elections? Yes. Actually, I believe the market will get volatile very soon. We are in October, so we're in the fourth quarter. Fourth quarter definitely gets volatile, so expect more volatility. Okay, if you look at Nasdaq right now, like I said before, is at a nice little level where we might see a drop. So if we see a drop from here, okay, like I said before, this fake recession, okay, we might see selling. We might just sell off for the remainder of the year. So volatility might pick up. Okay, usually volatility picks up fourth quarter. So October, November, December, January. January is very good when it comes to volatility. February is good too. Okay. And yeah, so the next election, yes, it would. That's around the fourth quarter. So yeah, it should pick up too. Same money will pump then dump. Yeah, that's facts. B cash. What about it? We looked at it already, right? BCH. Oh man, look at that. Pump and dump, guys. All these charts look like pump and dumps. I'm the only guy that will speak up when it comes to the crypto market. Everybody else is in la la land talking about $1 million. Guys, hit the like buttons. Overall, like I said before, guys, um, I want Bitcoin to pump up so you guys can make money, but I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. Also, I don't like what I see, so we'll see. Like I said before, if we pop up, if we bounce from here, we have this trend line right here, and this is going to be a key level. Well, it might not even make it to that trend line, so we'll see. Now, let's say that it does break down some more, and we stop these guys out, can we bounce from there? Yes, we could definitely bounce from there, those areas. How high? I don't know. We'll see. Or it could just be a slow grind down, right? Just be a slow grind for the whole year. Welcome to the markets. My pot stocks plunge. Do you have the ABC ticker? Your pot stock. So you are in the ABC. You said ABC. Are you talking about this right here? Are you talking about this right here? This one right here? I don't know if you're talking about this stock right here. I see ABC. What stock you talking about? What's the name of the company? Javier said, "What's up, guys? What do I miss? You didn't miss anything yet. I just basically was explaining Bitcoin and where I see it going. I definitely see another leg down, but there's a possibility we might have a bounce from here. Javier said, "It's a good time to buy." Are you talking about BTC? Right now, no. I mean, in my opinion, I can't. Of course, I can't give no one financial advice. Okay. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice during this live stream. This is entertainment only. Okay. But overall, me, I wouldn't. I don't like buys around here. The market looks too weak. Um, you know, I'm a type of guy I like for the market to give me confirmation before buying anything. I don't like to be. I don't like just buy just because it's going low. Javier said, "Learn from Ben, make some money." Your thoughts on who's I said Bingo. Man, this chart look ugly, bro. This chart look real ugly. I really don't have no thoughts on this. This chart doesn't look too good. It's not like a chart that I'm you know that I look at, but overall, you do have a breakout right here, so you just need continuation. Definitely need it to hold up. Now, if it goes back down once again, then it's probably going to take a long time for it to continue to for it to bounce one more time. But we did break out of this right here, so all you need is just the market to hold up, and hopefully, But it as soon as it broke out, it crashed right back down, which is not really a good sign. But hope you better hope that it bounced back up, and continue to go back up. Let's see here. Anybody anybody on this live stream deal with affiliate marketing? I have, like, both of my products. I have affiliate. You can sign up for be affiliates. So if you know anything about that, just let me know. Let me see here. Javier said, Ben, I need to make some money. The goal is $375, $5 a week. I mean, 5 days a week. Do you have my day trading? Are you available to day trade, Javier? XLM. Yeah, XLM is just not looking good at all, bro. It just looked like a it's tough right now, man. We need more movement, for anything. It's just tough. ABC, what? You said ACB? Okay, ACB, I believe. So that's what you're talking about, ACB, right? Okay. So ACB, you said it took a plunge. Yeah, I mean, a lot of these marijuana stocks are taking hits. So yeah, I mean, this doesn't look too good. I mean, to be honest with you, you have a big head and shoulders right here. You got the head, okay, you got the shoulder right here. So this looks like a reversal pattern, and it's breaking down. Most likely go back to the breakout right here, and it's probably gonna hover around this breakout, and from there you gotta figure out what you want to do. Me personally, I don't like that pattern. You gotta hope that you see some type of bounce off of this breakout right here. What price did you get in? What price did you get in? Yo, smash those likes. Smash those likes. You said it looks bullish. Oh, what's going on, bro? Crypto inspo. I didn't even know that was you, Crypto Inspo. You said, yeah, I know you have my day trading course, man. You said, I can't start day trading again 2 weeks ago. Okay. Yeah, 'cause I know you was going to school. I know you was going to school the last time we talked. You said CEO, I got you. Crypto Inspo, what do you mean CEO? I mean SEO. Are you talking about the affiliate thing? You starting with 1,000 for day trading? Okay. You said you bought this around $3. Okay, so if you bought this around $3, then you know, it's not too bad. You might see a bounce soon from this breakout right here, but you know, overall, this pattern doesn't look bullish. This doesn't look like a bullish pattern, but you might see a bounce around this area. And then from there, you have to make your own decision if you want to stay or you want to get out, you know. Shout out to all you guys here, man. What else? Guys, if you have any questions, type it in. Shout out to everybody that's here. We're going to probably finish this later on, but I decided to go live real quick just to look at the market and talk to you guys. But overall, if you guys have any other questions, you can email me. Let's see if I see here. It's affiliate marketing goes hand in hand. Okay. Yeah. So crypto inspo. I mean, just email me and we could talk about that, because I had, like I said, I have a affiliate programs for both of my thing. I just never told nobody. But yeah, just email me. We could talk about that. Anybody else want to be affiliate with my programs? Email me. You get commissions off of that. 50-50 split. All right, let me see. So overall, that's it, guys. Be careful. We could have continuation. Knowing these guys, they probably bring this market up one more time before they go down, as if they want to go down. Okay, so be careful. But yeah, I'm definitely looking for more continuation to the downside, and looking to stop these guys out right here, and a possibility to stop these guys out too. And it could be a crazy move to the point where it go all the way back to 6,000. Yeah, so don't be surprised if you see this 6,000, right? I know your Moon Boys or your favorite YouTuber told you to go all in around these prices, but you know, I don't operate like that. So 6,000 is definitely doable, and most likely we'll find support around that, and then from there we have to see what the market wants to do. Shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate all you guys tuning in. If you guys have any more questions, you can email me. Make sure that you take care of yourself, learn, study, practice. All right. So I need around 10K then. What do you mean? 10K for what? Megatron? 10K for what? Should I risk 2% of my account on the day trading course? Well, first of all, I'm not giving anyone financial advice, but no, you don't need 10 grand to start day trading. You don't need 10 grand at all. You can start with the smaller markets where you can actually risk a small amount. Okay, so you can still trade, markets like the Nasdaq, the Dow, S&P, but they have the micros where you can risk a small amount. Now, if you have, a decent size, you can, go a regular amount, but at the same time, okay, you don't need 10 grand. No. A lot of my students start with less than 10 grand. Some students start with 1,000. Some students start with 2,000. Some students start with 5,000. But shout out to you, Megatron. Good to see you here. Dom said, just finished work. I'm walking home listening to King Ben. Shout out to you, bro. Crypto Slice of Life said, thanks for looking for yeah, no problem, bro. Javier said, I lost 16K in one day. Sheesh. Chill, man. I'm trying to I'm trying to leave. Oh man, I was trying to leave without throwing up, bro. You trying to make me throw up? Yeah, no, you always had to have a stop loss. Definitely. Always have a stop loss, guys. All right, so that's pretty much it. Appreciate everybody here. Just hit those like buttons before we go. What else? Hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you stay positive. Email me if you have any questions. And make sure everybody, stay safe. Talk to you guys later. And please, guys, have a good day.